Welcome back to Playing with Knives, the food channel where we believe that food is a love language. Today we're going to do a recipe I'm excited about. It's a twist on a recipe we've already done. We are going to make breakfast taquitos, but we're going to make the Southwest egg rolls at Chili's. We're going to make a Southwest breakfast taquito. I'm excited about this because it's going to increase the amount of protein. I've been eating these for the last week or so and I've actually slimmed down quite a bit. So I'm going to make them with eggs, which increases the protein amount. But it's that same mix I used before. I just baked them in a pan, cut them, so that I have these beautiful sticks ready to go, and I'm gonna roll them into the tortilla. But before I do that, we're gonna need to get some Monterey Jack cheese to put down so that the tortilla melts around the, basically the sliced frittata that we have. So I'm gonna use my Ninja food blender. I've got it set for shred. And with the exception of a very small chunk around the top here, it will have shredded all that for us. Now there is a trick to this. I used room temperature. I let it warm up because I was preparing everything. You can, this is beautiful cheese, you can put it in the refrigerator and it will give you more firmer cheese shreds. So it just kind of depends on what you want. I want them to be warm because I want the frittata essentially to just lay down on the tortilla so I can roll it effectively. So that is the goal. So this is clean. I know it's got marks on it, but it is clean. The oven is preheating to 350 degrees. We will put them in here because we have chicken and egg in this. We're gonna bake them at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And what I'm gonna go off of is just the gauge for how crispy everything is. So a little bit of cheese, a little bit on top. We want it to stick together. When you're reheating these, they will loosen up a little bit on the tortilla. This is fresh out of the oven. You can see how nice and toasty brown the edges are. They're nice and crisp. They smell so good. And I'm gonna throw them in a Ziploc bag once they cool. Have 2 per meal, 3 times a day. Supplement the meal with, I don't know, fruit or nuts or something, but I've slimmed down quite a bit. I don't know that I've lost any weight because I tend to just adjust, but I've slimmed down quite a bit just eating these guys.